We are replacing a 150-year-old sugar maple that used to be in this place. About a month ago, we dug out the stump, and this morning we had a tree spade come in from Manatic Tree Movers. He dug a very large hole and went back to the nursery and plucked this tree out of their nursery and brought it back about a half an hour ago. This is one of the biggest trees I've ever had to plant. It was quite a process, but it went very smoothly. And hopefully this tree will be around for another 150 years. The machine we use to dig the hole and bring in the tree, it's called a tree spade. That was a large, I think it was about a 90-inch tree spade. I think it's the largest you can get, certainly in our area. Probably in other parts of the country where they do this sort of thing a little more often, you can probably get bigger ones, but that's certainly the biggest one in this area. So he comes in, sets up his machine, gets it leveled, and then he's got four pieces to his shovel, and he slowly lowers each piece in until it forms a cone and essentially plucks out a plug of soil. And he does the exact same thing when he goes back to the nursery. He does that around an existing tree that's been in the ground for a number of years, and he just folds it up on the back of his machine, wraps the head of the tree, and then brings it back here and puts it back in the ground exactly where he took out the plug earlier.